Hello and welcome to day one of Chemistry 1431 online for the summer of 2020. It's going to be a remarkable year. Here's what you need to do to survive day one. Head to Blackboard. Blackboard contains the syllabus. You should start there. Take a quick look at the syllabus. The syllabus outlines the important aspects about the structure of the course. And then when you look at Blackboard itself, you'll see that the material is separated into 8 blocks, and the syllabus will strongly hint that the most important thing for you to take care of is the calendar. Blackboard has a calendar, and Blackboard will prompt you as to what is due at this particular juncture during the week. In an online class where you are really in control of your own timeline, the calendar is going to keep you on track. The course itself is going to be split into 8 kind of equal modules. Week 1 is smaller, softer than the others, so you get a nice easy start for week 1. But there's always something to be doing, and part of the success in this course is just to stay on track, and the calendar is your friend right there. The first thing that the calendar is going to tell you that you should do is head to the discussion board and say hello. Introduce yourself to your fellow classmates, and your classmates might just be chirping in with discussions to help you as it goes. The discussion board on Blackboard is going to remain open 24 hours a day, every single day of the term. Sometimes we'll use it for myself to go live in a video sense with you to work through problems and solve issues. But in the times when I'm not using it officially, it's open for you. 2 of you can meet, you can video conference face to face, and you can do your homework that way. Okay. There is a reading assignment. Again, chapter 1 is kind of a very rudimentary beginning, but it needs to be done. Now, every chapter, every week has 2 quizzes, one at the very beginning of the week and one at the end of the week. The one at the beginning of the week covers things that are just definitions. So I need you to do a tiny bit of reading ahead. Go to the end of chapter summary, read that, and it tells you these are all the definitions of the words that you need to succeed in this chapter. Familiarize yourself with that, so then when you're reading for real or watching the videos, those words actually have some meaning for you. This quiz, the point 1 quiz, will be the only quiz that you will be locked out of. These quizzes are the pre-reading quizzes. They're very, very small number of points, very little to lose or gain here by doing it. But they're all going to be due on a Monday at the beginning of the week to prompt you to read ahead, because this is our first one that's actually going to close on Wednesday. Tuesdays through Fridays, class is going to be involved in a case discussion every week except for the last week of class. So you're going to do 7 of those. I want to see somebody post their first preliminary thoughts on a Tuesday, by Tuesday. And then we're going to let the conversation percolate during the week. I will chime in if I need to. And by Friday, that's done. We're moving on to the next one. There's a lab quiz. So we're going to do some kind of virtual labs. We've got online exercises that, although there's not real wet chemicals, they are actually can imbue some meaning to the work that we're doing. And there's a little bit of guided inquiry with that's followed by a quiz. Those quizzes close on Wednesdays. And then there is a quiz to close out the chapter. This one's going to have maybe 15 questions on it, be worth 25 points, whereas this one's going to have 5 questions on it and be worth 5 points. This is the one at the end of the chapter. This is our kind of summative assessment to let me know that you've read the material, you've watched the videos, we've had some kind of office hours discussion during the week, you've done the lab, and that you understand the material in this chapter enough to move forward. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy looking, let me say that right. I look forward to meeting you all, and I'll see you all soon.